Hi guys, Homestead Know-How, life is good. Alright, so we have released some of the birds from the chicken tractor, and then we divided what was left in the other one over there and split it between the two because they're still a little bit younger. So basically I had this out here. We had the old pallet chicken coop. What I did is I cut some 7-foot 2x4s, cut them 2 7-foot, sorry. And this was actually where they used to, they stack stuff like at job sites. So this was going to be garbage, so I decided to use it. So as I put one down there, one here, put 3 7-foot 2x4s on it. I put a board in the front so I can put this on, and I've still got one more piece to put right here to kind of close it out of the way. Put a piece of scrap metal in the back. This was actually from our old house that we used to live in. Scrap metal on the top, and then I went ahead and I covered this too. And as you can see, this is all scrap, but I mean, no need to spend a fortune on a chicken coop, especially when you've got it fenced in too. You've not had a whole lot of problems. So then I just used one of these wire racks with a little metal clamp style piece there so they can walk up if they desire. So I mean, you should be able to get, quite a bit of birds on this. You figure maybe one foot of space per bird, so you can get 21 birds to roost in here. So, but that's where we're gonna stop at for today. We're gonna run and get some ice cream for Father's Day. All right, but I need to get this done. Got ventilation underneath, plenty to stay dry. It's good to hang on to this stuff. All right, guys. Homestead Know-How, life is good. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hope y'all have a blessed day.